Forward ka pa to. Ano gagawin?
Process mo na kayo ng gamit.
Baba nyo gamit.
Marami pa tayong gamit.
Ay, isang buo na tayo.
It's okay.
Family room. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Ay, ang ganda ng
That's our room! Is this our room?
Where's Dada's room, Kayos?
It's so awesome!
It's so awesome. It's awesome. Where's Dada's room?
Oh, there's a pool outside! We can go here and then go to the pool! Wow!
It's so amazing too.
It's so amazing. That's a hot spring.
So amazing daw.
Yes, Dad.
Can you swim there? Why?
What's this?
Where's Dada's room?
Are you tour Dada on this room?
Tour me.
Let's go.
Okay. Dada, let's go. Where's Dada's room? Ah, there. Oh, help me. Help my belongings. Oh.
In the end, Kiffin
Oh.
trip to the playoff to take the head job.
Oh. Okay. And what's this? What's this?
What's this?
Miami Heat guard Terry Rozier.
Vintage yan.
Dad,
Blazers head coach Chauncey Billups.
What's this?
what's that? That's
At number 9,
What's that?
sports
What's this?
to grapple with gambling.
the water.
Paano ka magsisingin?
Po? I'm okay na? Opo.
Pero pwede ka naman magpasi. Pwede mag-slide out.
Dada, is okay na? Yeah, he can swim.
Ay, hug
Yay!
nga si Dada para maging okay. Hug mo si Dada.
Yay!
Hug mo si Dada. Hug. Hug.
Look, this slide.
Look, look. Oh,
Where was this slide?
Ang sabi niya kanina, come on guys.
Come on, guys.
Ang ganda ng view. Oh.
I want to slide.
You want to slide?
Kayas, look at the waterfalls. It's okay.
May simbahan dun sa taas.
Wow.
Yung ginagawa. Sa simba ni Lola. Ay, doon sa function. Ito lang, pag naman tayo na sa
Dad.
Go sa namin. Go, 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 go.
5. Pwede, PM. PM. Mamaya meron.
Saan mo na papangunin na sa wood, no?
Ay, ito ba, fish, oh?
Did you see the fish na ba?
Sikip mo na yan. 3 years, ganito yung view ko habang nagtatrabaho. Ang ganda. Relax eh. Sobrang lamig dito pa tayo. Ito eh, order mo. Masarap magkape dito. Dito lang. Kahit di kayo mag-puwet mo doon. Kahit yung gaganyan lang.
Dito kami ngayon sa Laguna. Soliviento. Dati pinagtatrabawan si Pia. So kasama namin syempre yung family namin. Family ko.
Sagmasigayo, sagmasigayo.
Friend, friend! Choo, choo! Friend, friend! Choo, choo! Ay, only me. Lola Belen, happy birthday!
Oh, say happy birthday to Lola Belen, baby.
Ha? Ha? Friend, friend! Choo, choo! Friend, friend! Choo, choo! Tuwa ang lakad. Friend, friend!
Oh, silibok, silibok.
Daddy, what's that?
Dito namin sa celebrate yung Where are you going? Dito namin sa celebrate yung birthday ng inay. Siyempre, birthday ng inay, Christmas. Dito talaga mag-Christmas.
Malapit lang.
Kayos!
Ayun, we're here. Hi. Where did you go? It's so much fun.
So much fun.
Oh, you wash your hands. Is it hot? The water is hot or cold? Cold? Do you want to swim? Later? Okay. Oh, electricity. Oh, don't touch it. Gamitin niya hawakan. At electricity yan.
It's a rocking chair.
Okay, okay. Oh, wait, I help you.
That's a rocking chair. Oh, sit down, sit down. Mama!
Go.
Executive.
Ito, upo ka dito.
Wow! Wow!
Wala, baka nag-aantay doon. Nanonood po.
Ayos!
Tutulgan niya, kuya.
Ha?
Tutulgan yan.
Ito, wala pa naman eh. Nagla pa ako doon. Ay, ano na pala eh? Kaya ako na, ay sa iyo, tulig ka.
Sabi ko mamaya pa ako.
Si Itcha nasaan? Andiyan, tita, bumalik. Bumalik siya agad.
Pakita ka kuya kay Gayos. Itutur ka.
Super cute.
Birthday!
Tayo si go to daddy and find yung sunblock. Tell daddy where is it.
To you. Happy birthday to you.
Buti mapuno doon, oh.
Hindi pa hagi pang init.
Parang ang dami nagsiswimming dito.
Kukuskusin na lang. Ay, pagkaawit.
Momo! Momo na. Lalapilan mo. Momo kayos.
Paano tumangkot muna kayo? Ganon no?
Momo kayos.
Tama naman siya eh.
Momo kayos. Momo kayos.
Si Mama.
Maligo na at super init. On the way pa din.
Lapit na eh, oh!
Nilapit mo na sa akin.
Later ang open!
Yung wait mo lang. Ayos, prime. Excited na! Ikaw mag-open mo ng gift.
Tingkap. Pagkaod. Happy birthday nga eh.
Oh, what's this, Dada?
Inuunti-unti mo na ha.
Kulit ka ng damit.
Inuunti-unti na niya oh.
Later pa! Oh.
Lolo!
Oh, yun yung kasi happy birthday mo na ito, Lola Belen.
It's a scooter!
Pinilan ka niya.
It's good! Ala! Hindi na mapigilan. Open!
Diyan!
Tingnan mo yung anak mo.
Gawin anak mo!
Hinira na ng gift.
Sobrang excited! Ikaw na ikaw!
Hello! What's that?
What's that? Ayos, bro. Wala pang gift-giving eh.
Yun na nga, binibigyan na eh. Ang ulit, isa na eh. Ewan ko po. Ito ba naman?
What's that? Naka-jackpot agad.
Talaga, tapos dito siya mag-open.
Ay, what's that?
And a scooter!
Wow! You know! How did you know that?
Lahat, ayan.
Wow!
Ano ko?
Oh, open.
Look, Dada, open! Dada, open!
Ay, magsising ka muna. Happy birthday kay
O, sing muna kay Lola.
Happy birthday, Lola!
Ay, wala pa. Hindi pa tayo.
Ay, gusto na siya mag-blow.
Oh,
Wala pa. Tawag mo na
Paano
si
yung Lola?
Oh, Lola mo na dali.
Aray ko, ba't ako? Ako ba si Lola Glenn? Wala, hindi, wala. Happy birthday to you. Oh, sing muna.
Dada, open!
Rinig to sing muna. Happy birthday kay Lola. Bilang ako muna ng kagila.
Lola was!
Go! Dali.
Birthday to you.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Oh,
No,
Lola
I think
naman.
that's mine. Oh no, I think that's mine. You think?
That's daddy's scooter, mommy, not that's yours.
Dada, open it.
Ikaw natutulog ng kandila.
Bye! Ay, ang daming commercial. Wow! Ang ganda to.
Nga, maalam.
Natawagin ko si tatay. Oo.
Mga pinaalis ko, gala pa ngayon.
Dito muna, mag-sing muna. Ibabawiin niyang...
Oh, you sing to lalabalan muna. You sing. Focus sa focus. Oh, you sing to lalabalan muna. You have so many gifts there.
Sing muna, bago mag... Oh.
Ang dati mo yung the song. Baka meron.
Ah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yay! Yay! Diretso sa laruan, diretso sa laruan.
Ay, sino mo ito? Let's open yung gift.
Yay! Open na ang gift ni Kayo!
Oh!
Open ko na yung gift ko! Open ko na yung gift ko! Gift ni Nani!
Oh, yun na.
Oh.
Oh. That's from?
Ay.
What are you doing?
Alin ba yung open mo?
Ala siya!
Alam niyo yung kanya.
Ala, ala!
Gawa ng balat. Alam niya
Pero
na
hindi niya
kanya.
nakuha yung hindi pang kanya.
Oh, hindi yan sa'yo na! Oo nga, yours ka.
Oh, here muna. This one first. This one. Oh, this one. Oh, here. Oh, help me, Daddy. Here. Go.
Ready?
Go. Open it. Open it. Here. Go. What's that? Oh! Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, no! What's that?
What's that?
Whoa! Eee!
Oh, titig. Oh, this one. You have more.
Oh, here. Look here. Look here. Look at. Look tayo. Look tayo yung dada. And tata.
Oops. Be careful.
Sorry. Here.
Are you happy? Yan na,
Oh,
surprise!
what's this? What's that? Wow! Ito, tata, what's this? Wow! What's this one? Oh.
El Toro Loco. Teka na.
Wow! Wala siya nito.
Open!
Open! Open, ah? Wait lang, we have more toys pa. You put here muna. Okay.
Many pa, many.
Oh, yun eh. Lagyan na to. Oh.
Ayaw.
Wow!
This is like an excavator, Dad.
Wow!
It looks like an excavator.
It looks like an excavator. Yeah. Oh, what's this? What shape is this? This one? This one? Try this one?
Square.
Huh? Pentagon. Good job!
Hey! Good
Here,
job!
bakit guys dito?
Oo.
Ito yung ano. Hey, what's this? You have so many toys. This is for mommy. Oh, what's that? It's a basketball.
What's that?
Yeah, that's yours too.
Gusto lahat makita.
Sige, buksan mo.
Wow, you have so many toys! Swan chili!
Oh, okay lang yan. There's a book also.
Yung
Yes,
ba? Yung
tata.
yung gift ng ninong. Ayun, nakakalab di kakaka, oh.
Ito.
Oh, dali, oh, bye.
Gift
Oh,
to Ninong.
Ninong at saka Kayos.
Oh, gift ng ninongs mo. Oh, wow. What is
Ninong?
pangalan?
Open this!
Tita Asha, Tita Carla.
And kay Ninong talaga yan, tsaka kay Tita Kaka.
Okay, open. Yee! What's this?
Hindi na magkanta o
Oh,
gagamit.
this is for Daddy! For Daddy! This is for Daddy! Wow! Whose toy is this? Okay! What's that?
Wow!
That's our logo and zombie.
How about this one? What's this?
What's that?
I have a remote control car. Wow!
Another car, another car.
Another car.
Oh.
Ay, lahat pinabubuksan.
Oh, this one muna.
Ako muna. Kaya lang, hindi ko pala nasulatan.
Ako muna. Kita tayo, regalo.
Kuya! Kuya, dito ka!
Bukas!
Ah, dito ka.
Kuya, dito ka!
May cash na sa loob. Thank you very much.
Kuya, oh.
Happy birthday.
Oh, Ben!
Ah, Ben! Oh, Ben!
Ah, si Kayos ang excited! Lalabuksan na! What's this daw? Tingnan mo siya!
Yung birds. Ano yun?
Rice and birds yun, nalakas ha.
Para hindi mahulaan ka na naman.
Ito sa akin.
Ayaw na rin niya ng shoes. Slippers.
Ayos, what's that?
What's that?
What's this, Lolo?
What's that?
Oh, open na, Lolo.
Oh, ay,
Ito yung saan.
Mukhang lalong yayabang ng ABB.
Yung hindi ko nalagyan ng pangalan. Hindi na to.
Ay, bola. May bola.
Helmet.
Alam mo na mali na to.
Guys, yung fit na, Lolo. Fit na, Lolo. Fit.
A helmet.
Wow!
ganda.
Gagala na sa mga...
Ito, gala na.
Ito sa motorcycle!
Si Kayos na tignan dito, go.
That's Lolo's fit.
Oh, ito! Ito ay kay Pia!
Let's go, bro, bro.
Thanks so much.
Oh!
Mag-aabang!
Tama yan.
Hindi tayo magkakagulo.
Ayun kay Mama!
Sabay tayo mag-anda.
Sabay-sabay pa kayo ng lolo mo mag-unbox?
Sabay.
Sabi yung kay Mama. Okay.
Oo, yung nakabox sa meron.
Mother.
Ito ay siya na tato. Kay Christian. Christian ba to?
Pang malayo ito. Ito sa akin pala.
Kay Christian!
Battery pa rin. 6 na yung pala. Ay, pili.
Oo, Christian!
Also, wow!
Oh, wow! Oh! Oh, here's for Kayo! Yeah!
Uy, baka hindi na kanya yung binubuksan niya, ha? May pangalan sa ano yon, ilalim.
Wala naman, wala pa nga.
Kanya, pag wala.
This, what's this? Sorry, what is naman eh? Wow! This is for...
Kayos! You can, you can use that and it's nice time.
Wow!
That's a
We're going to
storybook.
read the story.
That's a torch!
Look, di ba?
Wow!
Torch!
Wow, thank you.
Lola from us. Ito nga.
Wala pa.
Meron pa sa
Oh, that's for Lola.
Hindi ka na siguro gagamit din ng plastic.
mabigat yan. Kaya dito
Mag-aalis
siguro
tayo.
yan.
Ayo.
Di, ba't kailangan? Di,
Grabe
Paul,
siya.
ba't bukas ng bukas hindi naman sa'yo?
May magdako pa lang yan. Ganda pa.
Akin na natin ito.
Sabi sa iyo.
Ganda.
Kay dami.
Yes!
Wow! Yay! Ito, ayos.
Kay Batot.
Oh,
May, gusto ko rin mo ngayon.
hindi, dapat sinalubuksan ang gift niya.
Lola Bel. Oh, Lola Bel.
Ano, be?
Ayos oh.
Thank you po!
Teka, ayos yan. Pinagda mo lang ng number. Wait lang.
Ba, nag-scooter na! Here!
Is that my gift to you?
This is my gift for you! Look, oh! What's, ay, hindi pala. This is not for daddy pala. This is for mommy! Wow! Go, open it! Open it! This is for mommy! Go! Wow! Yay! This is from... Oh, who give this to you? Who give this to you? This is for daddy! Yay! Hey, Kayas pala! Mommy bought this for you. Who give this to you? Ma! Yay!
Ito ba yung bibilin sana?
Unboxing!
Look, look, look! What's this?
Meron na akong bago ano.
You have to wait. This is daddy's gift for you also. Oh, here, look at this. That's what it is. Hey, this is all you want this.
At ito ang laman ng medyas, hindi nalagay sa medyas. Mama, happy birthday! Oh,
Thank you.
Chan!
Yay!
Kuya! Merry Christmas! Laman niya ng medyas, hindi ko lang nilagay. Kuya!
Thank you!
Oh, what do you need?
Ate! At ang laman ng medyas!
Laman ng medyas!
Ang laman ng medyas!
Tita, may laman nila medyas!
Wait lang, nag-aantay pa ako ng laman ng panya si Tito.
At si Kayus Pride, laman ng medyas!
Guys, Ryan!
Kanino mo bibigay? Kay? Da?
Daddy, ang ito.
Oh, Nay. Nay, oh, may balance pa.
Christmas!
Thank you. Yung balance is sa
Gusto mo sa yung dalawa. Oh, what's this is from
Na-traffic kasi nilagnat si Kuya, hindi makalabas. Kaya na-traffic.
This is daddy's gift for you. Pero ba't tapos ko ano? Sa gift ko kay
Oh.
daddy. Sa gift ko kay
Isa
daddy.
kayo.
Kilig! Kilig! Kilig!
Tapos ko gift ko. Hindi ka rin.
Talagay na lipstick.
Are you happy?
This is daddy's gift for Gayo.
Wow! It's so big!
Selfie open it.
It's giant! Giant!
Nice of this.
Kaya naman yan ilaki.
Here mo na. Look at this one. Oh. This has so many parts. Oh. Wow, it's inside. Wow, it's 100 bars.
Daddy, buksan mo yung regalo mo.
Nasaan?
Ayan!
Wow! What's this? Wow!
What is that?
Over. Wow! Thank you. Ganda ng print na to.
Ano no?
Thank you po. Tino.
Shot ba?
Thank you po. Thank you po. Hindi ko pa tinatarinig yung pangalan ko.
Thank you very, very much.
You're right? You're right!
How about Daddy? I love you.
How about Tata?
Inis pa! Inis pa! You want to open?
Sabi ko na, gustong gusto niya. Yan yung napapanood niya sa TV eh. Oh, di ba, Madi?
Oh, perfect naman ang motors ko. Hindi na ako makakabili sa One Cloud, sa Bumero, sa Nubal.
Sa daming alam.
Dapat rin sa kwarto.
Oh, you ask your mommy to fix that because mommy bought that.
I think you need the help of your Nino and Tita. Fix it!
Ano to?
Oh my God, ganyan mo lang ituro nila sa personal. Pinaprood lang ni Batots yan eh.
Gitara daw.
Ano siya? Car wash.
Pag di kayo papasok na. Nakita na ni Icha yung shoes niya?
Yes.
Car wash. Di buhay mo muna yung car wash. Kanina pa ako nabubuusan.
Busy din ako ma. Sa pag-open.
Ayos! Wow! This is the Blanqui, oh, capybara.
Hindi siya interesado. Talagang focus siya dun sa goal na nabubuksan.
Pag pumunta ng Japan.
Bakit talaga i-open mo talaga?
Hindi ko lang eh, walang may
Open mo na. Yan, ganyan. Car wash siya.
Lahat ay open eh.
Ano?
Mad, oo nga.
Taas
Mad
to.
kasi yan.
Wow!
Let's put some mud.
Tomorrow! Not now! But daddy will fix it so you can play na lang. But tomorrow pa natin lalagyan ng mud, okay?
So anak, hindi rin alam si Daddy.
Meron ka dyan in the mud.
Ayun yata sa loob yung manual. Ayun yung sa...
Ang pinaka-happy. Ayan oh.
Ang daming gifts!
Ayun pag nasa likod na ngayon.
It's Megalodon!
Manual nga to.
Ayos, another Megalodon?
May mga stickers.
Yeah. Paid for the wash!
Ayun, tanong alam niya nang gamitin eh. Oh.
Wow!